Hello everyone, I'm Selena and this is
Taylins, and welcome
to Nasahair channel. One of the things that often makes customer hesitate when importing hair from Vietnam is shipping costs are so high. I hear this many times from my customers, some of whom are in Europe, USA or Canada. But today, I'll show you the truth. If you know how to order correctly, your shipping costs will be extremely cheap per bundle of hair, and you will no longer afraid of shipping costs. Let's see.
Well, I understand how do you feel, Selena, and you want to try ordering, but when you see the high shipping costs, you will hesitate, and if you accidentally have returned the items, the cost will double. And normally, international hair shipping from Vietnam will through 3 shipping companies are DHL, UPS, and FedEx. And each shipping companies will have different price depending on the delivery address and weight of the goods. And the more you send, the cheaper the price. But however, this is only the shipping price from Vietnam to your address, excluding custom fees and taxes, which will depend on the custom and regulation of that country.
But the truth is, the problem is not how far Vietnam is, but how international shipping companies calculate the price per kilogram. This is 100 here, equivalent to about 1 bundle. So if you buy 200 grams of hair, it will be 2 bundles. International shipping is not calculated by gram, but by weight and volume. For example, an order of 200 grams of hair when packed, the minimum shipping cost is still calculated as 1 kilogram. That means you pay the shipping fee for 1 kilogram but only receive 200 grams of hair. So, importing less does not necessarily save money. On the contrary, it will make the cost per gram increase.
Well, let me give you an easy to understand examples. This is 200 grams of hairs, equivalent only 2 bundles, but when shipping internationally, the shipping companies does not calculate by gram but have a minimum fees. That means that even if you send 200 grams, they still charge the same as sending 1 kilogram. For example, $50. So, if you enter 200 grams, the shipping fees you pay still $50. And if convert, the shipping cost per kilogram of your hair is up to $250 per kilogram. It's really high. But if you enter exactly 1 kilogram, the shipping fees will also $50. And at this point, the actual shipping cost is only $50 per 1 kilogram. And if you enter 3 kilograms, the total shipping cost is only about $120. And it turned out that each kilogram only costs $40 per 1 kilogram. As you can see that the more you import, the larger the shipping cost will per kilograms. And that is why I usually recommend our customers a salon and wholesaler that to order at least 1 kilogram, and better yet 3 kilogram or more. But have you ever wondered that why 3 kilograms is only $120 and not $150?
Now, let me explain to you clearly how the fee is calculated. International shipping companies like DHL, FedEx, or UPS do not charge by multiplying the number of kilograms by a fixed price, but they apply a weight-based price scale. For example, when you send the first 1 kilogram, the price is $50. But when you send the second and the third kilogram, the cost for each additional kilogram will be cheaper because they consolidate the shipment and reduce the shipping costs for the additional kilogram. Here's why. 1 kilogram equals $50. 2 kilograms is not $100, but usually around $90 to $95. And 3 kilograms is not $150 either, but around $120.
So, if you are really serious about hair business, always import at least 1 kilograms or more. Below 1 kilograms, this should only be those who really want to test the qualities, but you have to accept one thing: the shipping fees is very expensive at this time, almost not worth calculating the profits. It is like a small investment for you to be assured about the hair sources.
Yeah, and from 1 to under 5 kilograms, this is the optimal import level for small salons or new traders. My advice is to set the quantity close to the round weight. For example, if you need about 5-8 kilograms, don't be afraid to increase it to 1 kilogram. If you need 2.7 kilograms, round up to 3 kilograms. Because the shipping company calculated by round weight, you will save significantly. Over 5 kilograms? At this level, you almost don't need to worry much about shipping costs anymore. Why? Because most suppliers, including us, are willing to support or promote shipping costs for large orders. At this point, you can completely negotiate to optimize further. This is where large import customers often benefit. Not only do they have good hair prices, but logistics costs are also minimized.
So, when you import at least 1 kilogram of hairs, you have more benefits than just saving costs. First, you can import many different colors. For example, black, brown, blonde, and highlight. So when customers come to your salon, they have many options, not limited. Second, you have enough quantity to try many techniques: keratin bead extensions, tape-in extension, and wet sewing. A 200-gram orders is only enough to test the techniques, but a 1 kilogram orders allow you to test many services, thereby attracting more customers. And lastly, you are always have stock available. When customer arrive, it is available immediately. You do not have to tell them, "Sorry, I have to wait for more goods to be imported from Vietnam." In the service industries, the speed of customer service determines profits. If customers have to wait, they can easily go to another salon immediately.
As you can see on the wall, there are so many hair in stock at Nasahair, and that's why we tell you to stop. So, after watching this video, I'm sure you have understood one very important thing. Shipping costs are not always proportional to the amount of hair you import. If you order a small amount, you will have to accept large costs per strand of hair. But if you order 1 kilogram, 3 kilograms, or 5 kilograms or more, you will save a lot and even get additional support from the supplier, so that the cost amount no longer a problem. And this is the real secret of smart hair wholesalers around the world. They don't just care about the price per kilogram of hair, but they also know how to optimize shipping costs, take advantage of every negotiation opportunity to make a higher final profit. I share this not only to help you buy hair cheaper, but also help you build a sustainable, long-term business that can compete with any competitor.
And if you want more practical knowledge like this, knowledge that I have to learn after working directly with hundreds wholesaler and salon customers across Europe, USA, Russia, and many countries, then don't miss these opportunities. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
And also turn on notifications so you will be first to hear when I release a new video.
Thus, we promise that the next video will be more even valuables, from how to choose the right hair type to avoid customer complaints, how to build a smart sourcing strategies to save thousands of dollars in each year. These are not just videos, but it's a treasure of knowledge that will help you to grow your hair business to the next levels. So, if you are serious about becoming one of the leaders in the hair extension industries, don't just watch and skip it. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us to our journeys to conquer the global hair markets. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.